Hello Tabbers, my name is Mark. Welcome to my home. This is my 2015 Tab Max S trailer. Today, or last night, we had a lot of snow, so it's not quite time to de-winterize Tic Tac yet. But I wanted to take this time, a little downtime today, to give you a warning, and it's a significant warning about carbon monoxide poisoning in this style trailer. Not specifically in this year, but in this style. You'll see in a minute. So let's go and take a look and see what we're talking about. Inside of this S-type trailer, you're going to have, many of you have, a three-way fridge. This fridge runs on 120 volts, 12 volts, and propane. I love it. It's a great fridge. You can boondock with it for a month and it won't run your batteries down. It's a great fridge. But there is a caveat here and a warning that I want to give you about it. On the front, you're going to notice two vents, and these vents have to do with the propane burner that's in the propane fridge. This side is an exhaust vent for the burner, and this side is an air intake. So air goes in here, goes down to the burner, gets burned, and the exhaust gases come out here. Well, anybody that knows anything about propane knows that the exhaust gases in propane contain carbon monoxide, and carbon monoxide is very, very deadly. Well, step back and take a look here. There is a law that was passed years ago that basically says that any door, window, or gravity air inlet to an occupied space must be at least 12 inches above the vent terminal. Let's read that again. Any door, window, or gravity air inlet into any occupied space must be at least 12 inches above the vent terminal. So let's get a little ruler here and take a look at this. What that statement is basically saying is that these vents and this window need to be at least 12 inches apart. And you can see that in a Tab trailer, they're only 4 inches apart. What does that mean? In this particular trailer years ago, this particular window does not open. It doesn't open. And that's why they made it so it didn't open, because the exhaust gases, the carbon monoxide that's coming out of this vent would come right up and go into the living space. It could kill you. So what they did is they made this window so it can't open. So this is fine. On the 2015 trailer, this is not an issue whatsoever. We're good to go. But on later trailers, they made this window openable, like all the other windows, just like this one. It can open. Well, that's a problem, because if you open this window, let's say you're sleeping in there at night and your propane stove is running, or not your propane stove, your propane refrigerator is running, and carbon monoxide is coming out here, that heat rises and it's going to come right up and go into your space. That's nothing to mess with. That's horrible. It's a bad design. Now, I've talked to New Camp about it on 3 occasions, and all 3 occasions they have completely ignored me. When I asked them about the situation with an openable window right next, within 4 inches of a propane exhaust vent, they've just ignoring me. So I wanted to get them to get on record a little bit about, about giving you guys a warning, but they won't, so I'm going to have to. I just want to give you a warning that if you have a newer trailer with a propane fridge in it, don't open that window while that fridge is running on propane. Don't open that window if your fridge is running on propane. Not a problem for the 2015 because this window is sealed. It doesn't open, but they later, because of customer demand, they made it so this window will open. And when it does, if you're running on propane, you're going to get carbon monoxide inside your living space. Anyway, I hope that helps a little bit. If I can keep at least one person safer, I've done my due diligence, I guess. Anyway, guys, take care, be safe. See you next time. Bye-bye.